Chekhov uses the whole of, the cutting of cherry trees to show progress. It shows that change is so inevitable.
It's nice, but of all the things that you could have written about, you chose to write about this. That why did Mr. Chekhov decide to cut a cherry tree in one of his plays?
Why wouldn't I write about it? Like, why not?
But why?
Because I told you I'm interested in it and I like the topic a lot.
And France?
What about France?
I mean, you like it, you're fascinated by it. What's the deal there?
I told you so many times. I'm so sure about it. This is what I want to do.
Padmini, we have to leave at 4 in the morning.
What, at 4 in the morning?
Oh, at 4? How can you not know this?
Abba, visarle gai.
विसरले? हो, आता passport पण विसर.
Why do you get so angry all the time?
घेतलास का?
Aga, kai?
Your passport, it's in my locker.
Fine, I'll go get it.
She'll be fine. उगाच नको काळजी करूस तू.
You never know.
Her packing is almost done, right?
Yeah, it is.
Hello? Yeah, is that Vince? Yeah, I need to book a taxi for tomorrow. Yeah, 4 o'clock in the morning. Please take the address. 403, so just. Yeah, here's the car number. Yeah, this is Rita, okay? Thank you.
Here, the passport.
Thank you. तू हे घालणार आहेस सोरबोन मध्ये?
Nani, Sorbonne nahi, Sorbonne.
तेच ते ग सोरबोन.
And what is all of this?
It was in your cupboard. It's almost new.
I have so many other clothes. I'm not taking any of these. Please, no way.
Fine, don't take it. Don't take anything that I've packed. Hello? Hello? हो, तो आज संध्याकाळी. हो, उद्याच निघायचं आहे. हो. हो.
Who was that?
It was a Toby. He said he'll get your clothes today evening.
I'm leaving tomorrow and the rest of my clothes still aren't here. What the hell, Mom?
Padmini, these books were on your bed. Are these to be packed?
No, that's Karthik's book. I'll probably give it to him later on in the evening.
What is his book doing on your bed?
Relax, Ma. He probably just forgot it here.
हो पण तुम्ही दोघं बेडरूम मध्ये काय करत होतात?
Yuck, Mom. Not. You know, I'm so tired of you asking me these things again and again. You're sick, you know that.
Come back here, Padmini. Now. बघितलं ती कशी वागतेय?
तू तुझं काम कर, मी बघते तिच्याकडे.
She's just worried.
Please, Nani. Why worried for what? तू ऐकलंस ना ती काय म्हणाली?
अगं, she's your mother. She'll be worried about everything.
I don't know what I'm going to do there, Nani.
कुठे? फ्रान्सला? I thought you were very excited.
Oh, me excited आहे, but I'm also very scared. Nani, my eyes are burning. I just don't want to regret this. I hope I do well there.
बघ, माझं लग्न झालं ना, तेव्हा मला एकटीला मुंबईला सुद्धा पाठवत नव्हते. माझ्या धाकट्या बहिणीला बरोबर पाठवलं होतं. पण मी एकटी पळून जायची. मुंबई बघायला, समुद्रात फिरायला. You are going to France. That too to study philosophy, which is you always wanted. I'm scared. See, there is nothing wrong in being scared. If you are scared, then only you are brave. कळलं? आता कांदा काढ.
Sorry. Mom, sorry.
Sorry. नानी, तुझी ती साडी दाखव ना मला. ते थोडीशी. चल. हे बघ, ही घे.
हा साईड ना?
हां, अशी 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 नेसायची.
काय चाललंय तुमचं दोघांचं?
I'm taking this. Nice ना?
छान आहे. चांगली दिसतेस. गुड. पद्मिनी, आज मी गाजरचा हलवा बनवलाय.
Wow. How come? So much love.
Now I can't love you also. You have got so many friends. Anshul, Siddharth, Karthik.
Not again, Yama. I'm so tired of this. I've told you so many times. They're just my friends.
So, have you told all your friends, your good friends, that you're going to France?
Obviously I have.
And?
And what? Nothing.
आता हे कोण नवीन?
Hey, तिचे good friends.
Nani, there's nothing like that. Mom, yeah.
They're just my good friends. Mom just thinks I'm in love with everybody.
Then why do they need to be in your life?
Why not? You know, Nakul just told me today that, you know, I'm going to Paris because I'm just fascinated by it, not because I'm actually interested in going
Wow, very nice.
there. You know he's a good guy. Come on.
Huh? And what about that other guy? That's a now guy, Okhoi Chatterjee.
Akshay Chatterjee. And he's a great guy. He's such a good storyteller.
Huh.
I love listening to him.
How come? Of course I want to watch it.
Girl meets guy, they get married.
It's not. At least let the film start.
Serial never will have the ending.
It's not. Just trust me. Yeah.
Are you going to call him very often from France?
Yeah, I mean, I'll talk to him, but not that often.
See, you are going to a new country. You are starting a new life. Find something which will stay with you forever. म्हणजे अक्षय तुझ्या लक्षात राहणार आहे का त्याच्या गोष्टी लक्षात राहणार आहेत?
His stories, but
बघ, एक तुला हसवतो, एक तुला गोष्टी सांगतो, एक तुला प्रश्न विचारतो. What is the point of all this? Are you going to be with all of them?
Nani, they're just my friends. Kharats. I mean, I don't love all of them. You and Mom are taking this to a completely different level.
No, we are not. I don't even know with whom you are half the times. When I think you're with Akshay, you're actually with Nakul.
You're making me sound so cheap, you know that? I mean, I don't love these guys. They're just my friends. You know what? I'm just tired of explaining it to you guys again and again.
अगं पण
But
पद्मिनी,
Kai, Nani, why should I be with one man my entire life when, like, look at her. She's been with one guy. Do you think she's happy?
It's different about me.
How
Padmini.
is that different? I mean, for heaven's sake, you and Dad are going to get divorced. Like, why should I marry one man to get divorced at the end of it? I'd rather not get married at
It's
all.
not about you getting married or not. It's about you finding the right person who will accept you regardless of whatever you are.
Yeah, really, did Dad ever accept you and understand you? You know what? First sign those divorce papers and then talk to me.
Padmini, that is not the way to talk to your mother.
Sorry, I'm sorry, but you know, Dad doesn't spend any time with us. She's sending me to France and she can't sign those divorce papers. Yeah, like I think bola na.
Padmini, it's not really like this. Your dad really loves you.
You know, the only reason you're saying this is because you have nothing else left to say about him.
It's not like that.
Ma, just sign those divorce papers now. You don't even love him anymore. I mean, it's like you just pity him now.
It's not like that. Really.
Then what's it like?
हे बघ, तुझी आई तुझ्या वडिलांबरोबर 20 वर्षांपेक्षा जास्त काळ राहिलेली आहे. एका वयानंतर ना आपण विचार करतो तो डोक्याने करतो, मनाने नाही करत. शिवाय जबाबदाऱ्या असतात. तुझी जबाबदारी आहे तुझ्या आईवर, हो ना?
But, I mean, they don't even talk anymore. It's so unfair to you, you know that?
You're right. Maybe there's really nothing left between me and him. But I do owe him a lot. हे तुला कधीच कळणार नाही.
Why? Just because I'm not married? I mean, I'd rather just chill with Karthik or Nakul or Akshay instead.
हे बघ, तुला एक कळतंय का? तुला या प्रत्येकांच्यातला एक एक गुण फक्त आवडतोय. तुला ते सगळे आवडत नाहीये. तुला कळतंय ना हे? When your grandfather was alive, मला ते आवडायचे फक्त त्यांच्यामुळे, त्यांच्या गोष्टींमुळे किंवा जोक्समुळे नाही. कळलं?
But Nani,
What, Padmini? You know what Nani is saying is right. Would you treat Nakul the same way if he stopped asking you questions, making you think as you say? You're young. Don't be so against so many ideas from now itself.
Padmini, don't be scared. Go right ahead and enjoy Sorbonne.
and what about you now?
What about me? I have everything.
You know, just get me the keys. I'll get you the papers and sign them. Get done with it.
I don't know where the keys are. I don't remember where I kept them. I'll just come.